Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies with dates. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Gather soft dates, butter, brown sugar, eggs, flour, baking soda, and vanilla. Chop dates finely and set aside. Cream butter with sugar until fluffy, then beat in eggs and vanilla. Fold in dry ingredients and dates carefully to start by creaming butter and brown sugar until the mixture is pale and tender, which gives a great chew. Beat in an egg and vanilla, scraping the bowl so everything blends evenly. Whisk together flour and baking soda separately, then add them in 2 additions to the wet mix. Stir in the chopped dates last to keep pockets of fruit visible for bursts of flavor in every bite. Scoop rounded tablespoon portions of dough and place them on the prepared sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake at 350 degrees F and watch for golden edges, usually around 10 to 12 minutes depending on oven. Remove to a wire rack immediately to finish setting while still soft inside. Cooling properly keeps the center chewy and the edges crisp, giving you the ideal date cookie every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.